Alright. Jeez. You just said something interesting before you hit the record button. Alright. Let me try to do that. Can you be useful and hit the timer?
Oh, hey, look at this. It can fly.
What?
You heard me.
Why do you spoil everything?
You're about to see it.
You spoiled it like spoiled milk. There is a dragon. I said, is there a dragon? Oh wait, no.
I was talking about my favorite.
A dragon?
Yeah.
What the heck? Oh, that is so cool. Okay, that's like a giant woodpecker. It's not as dragony as I first thought.
Yeah.
Okay, this one might be my favorite.
It's pretty cool. Alright, so...
Your favorite one was the knight, right?
Well, his name's Gaius.
Woo! Is that the right name?
Yeah. Alright, see... Alright, out that way. You see those little platforms in the water? You're going to want to stand on the middle one, probably.
What's that?
Because he's going to fly at you, and then whichever way he goes, he can move one of two ways, you can get on his wing. So when he starts flying at you, you're going to jump and grab onto his wing.
And we're back. Sorry, Chase got a phone call.
I did.
He did, and then he answered it.
I did. Well,
I had a show, pal.
I know. That'll probably be the only time I Yeah. As of right now, nothing we've ever done has been uploaded.
That's the joke.
You're a joke! Alright, no, I think you need to shoot him.
I like him.
Where's the Colossus?
Wait. You need the plans to destroy the Death Star. Alright, sorry. I really enjoyed that.
Shoot the bat!
Cool, I like you. Here's an arrow.
Now switch to sword quickly. Alright, now get ready to jump and grab. Ready, 3, 2, 1, jump!
Oh!
You didn't grab?
I forgot the grab button!
Well, we have to wait.
Oh, is that my health?
Yeah.
Red bar?
Yeah, it almost killed you.
It's low.
Yeah.
How fast is it?
Not fast.
Well, oh my guys, hurt, huh?
Yeah.
It's like...
Alright, let's remember to grab again.
Yeah.
Okay, actually, your health regenerates a lot quicker than I thought it did.
Well, then, thought you knew everything, huh?
I don't know everything.
Friend. What's he gonna...
Alright, so whenever you're on him, you're going to want to attack his wing. I think there's one in his tail, and then one on each wing, I think.
What's he gonna come from?
Yeah, he will. You can try to. I think he'll come through. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's about to line it up.
Where is he coming from?
The same way he did.
Oh, it's always this way.
Yeah.
Well,
Alright, get ready. Change the sword. Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, jump and grab.
Ah!
Nice! I think there's one on this table. Alright, yeah, I'm pretty sure there's one on his tail. Actually, I don't know. Go ahead and go to the wing, maybe. I don't know. Actually, is there one? I can't see. Yeah, I think there is. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Or it might not be a kill, but it'll definitely be a weak spot. Yep, okay, it is one of the required ones. Probably all there is for that. Nope. That's definitely all that's required. Run it. You can. You can run right now. You can run. You're good. Grab. He will do a barrel roll eventually. And ah! Good to climb up there. It doesn't matter. Oh, Although there is a spot on his wing where you will have to wait until he's just has them out like that, because there's no turn. Breathe, breathe, falling. Yeah, it's actually it was super unexpected. Run. Go, gadget! Stab that wing!
Was he old?
He wasn't that old, really. I think he was like... Well, he wasn't young. He was in his 60s. Alright, yeah. Dude, if you can do this on your first pass, I will be incredibly impressed. Alright, I'd let go and, like, jump over as he comes back up. Dogs.
Y'all can probably hear that. Hear those dogs. There we go.
Wanders a freaking mountain goat.
Look like this. Just like.
Never let go, Jack. You know what? You know what? She let go. And you know what? They both could have fit on that thing. Like, I know that, but now I remember, yeah, but what about him?
I don't know.
Oh, so close. So close.
Oh, my grip.
Oh! Well, hey, at least he dropped you near the platforms.
Yeah, I was because he like took a sip of the whiskey bottle and was like, well, this is it.
Well, guess I'll die.
Yeah, for real.
Alright, you literally just gotta get one.
Yeah, I got it. Please, friend.
Fireball! Go! He's staring at you like, hello! How are you doing? That was worse.
Yeah,
When you try...
I just said you have to point it out in front of people, the whole 5 people.
Let's see. Mom 1, Mom
Yes.
2, Dad
Yes.
1, Dad 2.
Yes.
Possible siblings.
Yes.
You have 5.
I do.
Alone, just your siblings, we could get 5 people.
That's true.
Is he not gonna attack you?
I'm not.
Launch! I had to do that a little more.
Trust me, I'm an expert.
Garrett of the Woodland Realm.
Oh, did I actually did get 2nd place in an archery contest.
Are you serious?
I'm deadly.
Bro, when?
I believe I was 16.
So, 2 years ago.
2.5 years ago.
Why do I not know this? Why is he not attacking
I
you?
don't know. I genuinely have no clue.
Yeah, just lead your shots a lot whenever he passes overhead right here. Because it takes a little bit of time. Oh, you hit him. Now he's mad. Yeah, his eyes are orange now. So now he's...
about time.
I think he kind of gave up on you, and you had to get him... You had to get the, his anger back, I guess. I don't know. Oh, here it comes. I think he's about to... Is he going to swoop? Yep, he's about to swoop. Right. Jump and grab! No, your white one. The one you're on. Yeah, he's about dead. He looks kind of like Ridley from, yeah. Well, from Metroid, from Smash.
Jet.
Yeah!
Another one.
Bites the dust. Well, I guess in this, you just fell off.
Oh, did I really?
Yeah.
Oh, I let go of the grab button.
So I don't know where you're at.
Maybe I had to, regardless.
No, you can hold on to him when he crashes.
Well,
Hopefully you didn't fall on the concrete. That might have killed you. That was a perfectly timed video.
wow.
We can actually just leave it whenever we get back.
I'm gonna get somewhere regardless.
And you can't even see it. Swim down.
Is it actually not gonna get me?
No, it is. You're just far away and it takes it a while.
No.
as it's coming towards you.
Oh, that's terrifying. And water.
Yeah.
Shit looks like I just.
Hey, bro, you know what I'm drinking?
Tell me what you're drinking.
Drinking chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
You know what chocolate milk comes from? Chocolate cows.
Brown cows.
Exactly. Chocolate cow, brown cow.
They did a poll.
I do it. Shadow person. Story time. Next time, come back for Garrett's mysterious story.
Yes, the shadow person story. That everyone
That we might not even tell because we might forget.
Wow, you just said you tell it.
I didn't say I tell it. I said you tell it.
Or something? You a liar?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, this has been a great episode. I think that was my favorite Colossus so far.
I know a lot of people like that one.
It's so cool looking. It's not particularly.
Well, wait, we have to wait on this. It's hard whenever it messes you up with the barrel rolls because it takes a lot of your food meter.
I just forget I have grip. I always forget. It's not a fool, I guess. That's what he says. One of them looks like a llama. I'm skipping this. I could skip it the whole time. Wow.
But you have to listen, bro.
No,
All right, so this
which
is.
one looks like a llama?
I think it was the one you already killed.
That one. Never mind.
The one that looked like a llama was the one you already killed. That was the.
Oh, the night one?
No. It was the horse one that I said looked like a horse, kind of.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
All right. Well, it's been a good episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed it.
I wasn't talking to you.
Well, oh
Oh well. Well, man, I'm bad. I got worse at the outro.
Yeah, I know. You were doing great.
Possible. I can't remember the outro. You do the outro.
I haven't done it. All I did was stay lazy.
All right.
So,
Yeah.
we'll talk to you next time on the next episode of Shadow.